Cancer, a word that whispers fear, a disease that has haunted humanity for millennia, an unwelcome companion lurking in the shadows of time. It has taken countless lives, leaving a trail of sorrow and loss. From ancient civilizations to the modern era, cancer has been a relentless adversary. Yet, despite its long reign of terror, we have never surrendered. Throughout history, courageous minds have dared to confront this formidable foe. Physicians, scientists, and patients alike have joined forces in an enduring battle against cancer's relentless advance. This is the story of that struggle, a testament to human resilience, ingenuity, and the unwavering pursuit of hope in the face of adversity. Our journey begins in the dimly lit tombs of ancient Egypt. Here, amidst hieroglyphs and sarcophagi, we find the first eerie whispers of cancer's existence. Bone cancer, it seems, was no stranger to our ancestors. Skulls excavated from the sands of time bear the unmistakable marks of this disease. These skeletal remains serve as silent witnesses, offering a glimpse into the suffering of those who came before. Though lacking the tools and knowledge of modern medicine, the Egyptians were not entirely powerless against cancer's onslaught. Their physicians, employing the limited means at their disposal, attempted to treat this enigmatic disease. Crude surgical instruments, unearthed by archaeologists, hint at their efforts to excise tumors. While their methods may seem rudimentary by today's standards, they represent the first tentative steps in humanity's long struggle against cancer. One papyrus, dating back to 1600 BC, stands out as a particularly intriguing artifact in the annals of ancient medicine. It describes a condition eerily reminiscent of breast cancer. This ancient document, known as the Edwin Smith Papyrus, outlines 8 cases of tumors or ulcers affecting the breast. It acknowledges the disease's severity, noting that there is no effective treatment. Despite their inability to cure cancer, the Egyptians did not shy away from documenting its presence. They recognized it as a formidable foe, one that demanded attention and respect. These early records, though fragmentary and incomplete, provide invaluable insights into the history of cancer. They remind us that this disease is not a modern affliction, but rather an ancient adversary that has plagued humanity since time immemorial. Section 4. Whispers from Greece and Rome. As the torch of civilization passed from the Egyptians to the Greeks, so too did the battle against cancer. The Greeks, inheriting a wealth of knowledge from their predecessors, began to explore the human body and its ailments with a new level of curiosity and rigor. Greek physicians, heirs to a rich intellectual tradition, inherited the challenge of unraveling cancer's mysteries. They were not just healers, but also philosophers and scholars, deeply invested in understanding the natural world and the human condition. Hippocrates, often hailed as the father of Western medicine, coined the term carcinoma, derived from the Greek word for crab, to describe the crab-like appearance of certain tumors. His approach to medicine was revolutionary, emphasizing the importance of observation and documentation. His observations, meticulously recorded, laid the groundwork for future generations of physicians. These texts were not just medical records, but also educational tools, guiding future doctors in their practice. The Romans too grappled with cancer's devastating effects. They built upon the knowledge of the Greeks, adding their own observations and techniques to the medical canon. Celsus, a Roman encyclopedist and physician, advocated for early surgical intervention in cases of cancer. His extensive writings covered a wide range of medical topics, reflecting the breadth of Roman medical knowledge. He believed that removing the tumor before it spread offered the best chance of survival. This approach, though rudimentary by today's standards, was a significant step forward in the fight against cancer. However, despite their best efforts, both Greeks and Romans remained largely in the dark about the true nature of cancer. Their understanding was limited by the scientific knowledge of their time. Its causes remained shrouded in mystery, and effective treatments remained elusive. The ancient physicians' efforts, though valiant, were often hampered by the lack of advanced medical technology and a deeper understanding of human biology. Yet their work laid the foundation for future generations to build upon, inching ever closer to the answers that eluded them. Section 5. A New Era, the Microscope's Gaze. For centuries, the mysteries of cancer continued to baffle the brightest minds. Despite numerous attempts to understand and combat this devastating disease, progress was slow and often met with frustration. The lack of advanced tools and techniques meant that scientists were limited in their ability to study the disease at a fundamental level. Then, in the 17th century, a revolutionary invention emerged, forever changing the course of medicine: the microscope. This groundbreaking tool, developed through the ingenuity and perseverance of early scientists, provided an unprecedented window into the previously unseen world of the very small. This remarkable instrument, capable of magnifying objects invisible to the naked eye, opened up a new world for exploration: the microscopic realm of cells. With the ability to observe these tiny structures, scientists could now delve into the intricate details of life at a cellular level, uncovering the complexities that lay hidden within. Suddenly, scientists could peer into the very building blocks of life itself. They could observe the minute details of cells, their structures and their functions, gaining insights that were previously unimaginable. This newfound ability to study cells in such detail paved the way for numerous scientific breakthroughs. Robert Hooke, an English scientist, was among the first to document his observations through the lens of a microscope. His meticulous work and keen observations set the stage for future discoveries. Hooke's contributions were instrumental in advancing the field of microscopy and inspiring other scientists to explore this new frontier. In his groundbreaking work Micrographia, published in 1665, he described the microscopic structure of cork, coining the term cell to describe the tiny compartments he observed. This was a monumental moment in the history of science, as it provided a new way to understand the organization and function of living organisms. This marked the dawn of a new era in biology, one that would eventually revolutionize our understanding of cancer. The ability to study cells in detail allowed scientists to begin unraveling the complexities of this disease, leading to new theories and approaches for treatment. By unlocking the secrets of the cell, scientists were finally beginning to glimpse the inner workings of this enigmatic disease. They could observe how cancer cells differed from normal cells, how they grew and spread, and what made them so difficult to control. This knowledge was crucial in developing new strategies to combat cancer and improve patient outcomes. Today, the legacy of those early microscopes lives on in the advanced imaging techniques and powerful microscopes used by modern scientists. These tools continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, allowing us to explore the microscopic world in ever greater detail. The journey that began with the simple lenses of the 17th century has led to a deeper, more comprehensive understanding of life itself. As scientists continue to build on the foundations laid by pioneers like Robert Hooke, the quest to understand and cure cancer progresses. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of this disease and finding effective treatments. The microscope's gaze, once a revolutionary breakthrough, remains a vital tool in the ongoing battle against cancer. Section 6: Cells, the body's building blocks. With the advent of microscopy, scientists began to unravel the intricate tapestry of life at its most fundamental level, the cell. This revolutionary tool allowed them to peer into a world previously unseen, revealing the complex and beautiful architecture of living organisms. These tiny self-contained units, they discovered, were the building blocks of all living organisms, from the simplest bacteria to the most complex animals. Each cell, though minuscule, held within it the secrets of life, functioning as a microcosm of the larger organism. Cells, they observed, were not merely inert building blocks, but rather dynamic entities, bustling with activity. Within each cell, countless processes occurred simultaneously, from the production of energy to the synthesis of vital proteins. They possessed the remarkable ability to replicate themselves, ensuring the growth and repair of tissues. This process, known as cell division, is fundamental to life, allowing organisms to grow, heal, and reproduce. Moreover, cells were not all created equal. They exhibited a stunning variety of shapes, sizes and functions, each type of cell uniquely adapted to its role within the body. They displayed a remarkable diversity of form and function, specializing to perform specific tasks within the body. For instance, red blood cells are designed to carry oxygen, while white blood cells are crucial for immune defense. Muscle cells contracted, nerve cells transmitted signals, and epithelial cells formed protective barriers. Each type of cell worked in concert with others, contributing to the overall health and functionality of the organism. This intricate dance of cellular activity, orchestrated with remarkable precision, ensured the harmonious functioning of the body as a whole. The coordination and communication between cells are vital, allowing the body to respond to changes and maintain homeostasis. Yet, as scientists would soon discover, cancer represented a sinister disruption of this delicate balance. Cancer cells, unlike their healthy counterparts, grow uncontrollably and can invade other tissues, leading to serious health consequences. Understanding the behavior of these rogue cells is crucial in the fight against cancer. Advances in microscopy and cellular biology continue to shed light on the complexities of cells, offering hope for new treatments and therapies. As we delve deeper into the cellular world, we uncover more about the fundamental processes that sustain life and the ways we can intervene when things go awry. The future of cellular research holds immense promise, with innovative technologies paving the way for breakthroughs in medicine. From regenerative therapies to personalized medicine, our growing understanding of cells is transforming healthcare and offering new possibilities for treating diseases. Ultimately, the study of cells not only deepens our knowledge of biology, but also inspires awe at the complexity and resilience of life. By continuing to explore the body's building blocks, we move closer to unlocking the full potential of human health and well-being.